In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split PDF in iLovePDF. If you need to separate a PDF into smaller parts, this process is quick and easy once you know where to go. I'll walk you through the full workflow clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, go to the All Forms area in your PDF workspace. This is the main place where you can access different document tools and actions. Once the page loads, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Organize. This section is where you'll find tools related to rearranging, managing, and modifying PDF pages. After opening the Organize section, click on Split. This will take you to the splitting tool where you can prepare your document for separation into different page ranges or sections. If this is your first time using the tool, take a second to confirm you're on the correct screen before moving forward. Next, upload the PDF you want to split. You can do that by clicking Upload New Files or by choosing the file from the available file options if it's already in your workspace. Make sure you select the correct PDF, especially if you're working with multiple documents. Waiting a moment for the upload to finish completely can help avoid errors in the next step. Once your file is loaded, go to the top right area of the screen and click Go to Split. This opens the part of the tool where you actually define how the document will be divided. At this stage, you should be able to view the file and choose the pages you want to work with. Now select the sample pages. This step is important because it determines the portion of the PDF that will be separated. Be careful when choosing the pages so the final output matches exactly what you need. If you're splitting a larger file, it can help to double-check the page numbers before continuing. Finally, click Split. The tool will process your selection and create the separated PDF based on the pages you chose. Depending on the file size, this may take a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully split a PDF using the Split tool. If your result doesn't look quite right, simply go back, review the selected pages, and run the split again. With a little practice, this becomes a very fast way to organize long documents into smaller, more manageable files.